Hi, and welcome to another episode of the Life Flight Therapy podcast. Today we're going to talk about uh, neuropathy. Neuropathy is one of those surprising things that light can help with. Uh, as with everything that we do with life flight therapy, life flight's more frequency therapy delivered through light, whereas everything else out there is just strictly light therapy. So, light itself can help with neuropathy. With life flight therapy, we use those same wavelengths of light, but then use specific frequencies to kind of stimulate the cells extra. And what it does is you can actually begin to regenerate the nerve endings. So, there's a lot of things that we can address, and you see results, sometimes after the first treatment, usually often within a week. Neuropathy takes a little longer because you're basically regrowing nerves. So it can take, a few weeks, a month to start seeing results. But it's the type of thing that it's pretty amazing to be able to get improvement with something like neuropathy at all. We've talked before in the last episode about wound healing. A lot of times people with diabetic neuropathy can get really bad uh, wounds that just won't heal. And we've had a lot of success reversing um, those and finding healing in those wounds, the stubborn wounds from that are a result of diabetic neuropathy. But again, just the neuropathy itself, whether it's diabetic neuropathy or caused from other things, I know we've had people use it from neuropathy that was caused by cancer treatments, and there's all actual. We'll get into the cancer treatment as a whole nother issue. All these side effects from uh, these different cancer drugs and treatments. There's a lot of those things that Lifelike can help with significantly. So if you or someone you know is dealing with neuropathy and just losing feeling in limbs, then Lifelike is definitely something to try out with that. It's basically, as with everything else, stimulating the cells so they do what they're supposed to do better. And so part of that is, you have nerves that have kind of died and stopped working. And so the light will go in, stimulate the mitochondria in the cells, uh, stimulate the cell activity, and actually start regenerating and regrowing. You have any questions, reach out to us at lifelightTherapy.com. And thank you for joining us.